Hi, welcome to the Sojourner's Notebook here on the Sojourner Street. I'll be sharing to you my experience in a laundromat in Balanga, Bataan. It is a very cozy place with some food and it's very nice. And since they have a different machine from what we have here in Manila, I had to ask the sister of the owner to assist me. She was so accommodating. She taught me how to use it as if it was my first time to use a laundromat. But of course, here in Manila, we've been using laundromat because we want the clothes to dry as fast as possible, like right after it was washed. That's what it is. After you've washed it, it's already dried. If you happen to use the dryer. So while waiting for our laundry to be done, we ordered some food and we enjoyed staying there because it is a very cozy place. So if you happen to go to Bataan, especially in Balanga, this is a place where you can wash your clothes. Stay safe and have a nice weekend.